Hey, how's it going? I just replaced my oil separation valve on a 2006 BMW X3, and after I got everything back together and fired it up, I was still getting error codes. I'm getting lean bank 1 and 2, I think it is, and then also the P0442, I think, which is the small vacuum leak, and I'm trying to figure out where that vacuum leak is. So what I've done is taken an old spray bottle that's the same size as the rubber air plenum and put a small amount of grease on it to seal, stuck it in there, tightened up the clamp, and then electrical taped some old fuel line hose in here. Got a hose that fits my air gun, and dialed my pressure regulator down to a real low pressure, and I can now pump real low pressure air into the system and listen for leaks. I got lucky. It seems like it's coming from the DISA valve up here. I think that's what it's called, DISA valve, and there's a rubber gasket in there that like an RTV gasket that I believe has gone bad. I was hearing the hissing from there. I'm using a mechanic stethoscope to listen for leaks in different areas. Again, it came right up top here, which is nice. I was able to dump some isopropyl alcohol in there and see the alcohol bubbling and fizzing where the leak was, so I'm pretty sure I've narrowed it down, so hopefully that'll get rid of my problem. Anyway, it's a nice little simple alternative to the expensive smoke machine. Hope this helps somebody out. Have a good one.